Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place: administrative rights, no active VPN, and a stable wired or Wi-Fi connection. Open the DNS benchmark program now and choose the network adapter you want to test. This determines which resolver routes are measured. Once the adapter is selected, load the default server list or import specific DNS IPs you care about. This gives a consistent comparison. Make sure to save your profile before running so you can repeat tests under the same conditions. Now, configure the test parameters. Pick latency and reliability measures and set concurrency to mirror real usage. Higher concurrency stresses DNS caches differently. Increase query count to reduce noise. This yields statistically meaningful averages rather than one-off outliers. Start the benchmark and watch the live chart to see response time distribution and packet loss. This helps you spot transient network issues versus persistent resolver slowness. Once running, resist interruption so the full dataset completes. After the run completes, focus on median and high percentile latencies to pick the most consistent resolver. Low median with occasional spikes may still be problematic. Export the results for records, then apply the selected DNS IPs to your router or device so all traffic benefits. Once done, validate by browsing and rerunning quick tests. If results are inconsistent, repeat tests at different times of day to rule out transient network congestion. This troubleshooting step confirms that the chosen resolver performs reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.